Get off me. Bro, this man is handling me wrong, bro. I swear to God, get off me, bro. I got a lawyer. Get the fuck off me, bro.
You just kicked me now, too.
Mom, how this man... Get off me.
Palmetto and Hague, 10-6. King Edward Sam, 9513. What? What? No.
So why are you doing that?
Doing what? Stopping you? Cause you didn't signal at the correct length.
The whole time, bro. That's what I'm saying, bro. You playing?
No, it was not. Not 100 feet before.
What?
Not 100 feet before. I was right behind you. Keep your hand. Show me your hands.
Stay right here.
Okay.
Scared?
No, I'm not scared.
Don't shoot me, bro. Don't do that whole ass
Hey,
shit, bro.
dude,
I understand y'all trying to do that, bro. Not because I'm on all that.
Okay.
Bro, listen, because I'm on all that. Because I'm mad as fuck. You even
just keep your hands on the steering
like,
wheel while I talk
what
to
did I do wrong, bro?
Okay.
I'm mad, bro. Because it's calling her name and everything, bro.
Harrison Palmetto. You didn't make a complete stop. Okay.
Win.
Right at Harrison Palmetto, you turn left. You didn't make a complete stop. I watch you not. You also didn't signal. You also didn't.
You got footage on your phone?
Yes. You also did not. Huh?
Can I see that? Can I see that?
No.
Because I know I stopped. I know I stopped.
Well, I didn't.
You ain't worried about bro or nothing.
But he wasn't in
You ain't
front
worried
of me.
about bro or nothing. Yes, he was in front of me. He was in front of me the whole time. Why do you think I stopped?
Okay, but I can't worry about the
slow?
people in front of you because I don't see their violations.
What you mean you can't worry about the people in front of me? So y'all to worry about everybody in this bitch. They ain't in your rear view. They ain't in your sight. What you talking about? It ain't your job to worry about them. You a cop. What is you talking about? Don't just worry about me. Just because I look suspect. What the fuck is you talking about? Because I'm black, whatever, or anything. I don't know what that shit
has nothing to do with your race.
What, the court?
Hey.
Because you talking about I ain't stopping. I know that I stopped.
Okay, put your hands on the steering wheel.
Stay right here, scary ass.
Huh?
Scary ass, stay right here.
Okay. Do you have a driver's license on you?
No, I don't.
Okay.
I got an ID.
Do you have a valid driver's license?
That shit at home. No, I don't.
I'm trying to get gas, sir.
You don't have a valid driver's license.
I'm not worried about none of that. Like I said, I'm in an important ass situation and I had to do something.
Okay, calm the fuck down. Just switch me, because we can't.
Yeah, that's all I'm about.
Okay, no. Don't get out.
You about to ask me to get out anyway. Why would I not?
Sir.
You don't have a valid driver's license, so yes, I will. I'm gonna wait for another car.
And you about to say, oh, you gotta get out the car or you gotta go to court. What you about to do, bro? You some hoe ass shit. Because you definitely not about to let me off. You don't
What's
give
your
a fuck
name?
about my
What's
life
your
or
name?
my problems. Makai Lanier. M-A-K-A-I-L-N-I-E-R. Run that
McCall.
shit. And that shit clean.
McCall.
Run that shit. No, it ain't Makai. Nigga, bitch.
Sorry.
It's not
Okay,
McCall. It's
stop.
Makai.
Sorry, Makai. Makai.
I don't like that. Don't say my name wrong. M-A-K-A-I. Makai.
Makai.
I hate telling motherfuckers my name.
No, I'm not giving anybody a second. I've been more than patient.
Sir, I literally watched that sir put his blinker on at the same time we did. You should have pulled him over exactly.
Okay, but I didn't see that violation. I saw this violation.
Ownership over this car.
Don't say you just saw that. No, don't just say you just saw one. Like I said, if you can see that shit with your eyes, bro, you responsible for everything you can see. You ain't got that badge for no reason. It's your job to protect everybody out this bitch. You're supposed to oversee everything.
So you don't have a valid driver's license?
No, I don't. She do. All right.
You do?
Yeah, she got it. She got it. She got it. This her shit. All right then, like I said, this bitch ain't stolen or none of that, but I don't know why you came and did all that weird shit, bro.
And I made sure he put his blinker on. Like, calm the hell down.
No, because then I just say as soon as them lights flick, I'm on that. Every time I get pulled over, I'm on that with police because it's always some weird ass thirsty shit. But whole time we getting off, bro, because come on, bro, this ain't no stolly or nothing. I ain't doing shit.
It's alright, because he can't do nothing. We put
you can't do shit but try to say, oh, you about to tow.
No, it was not. It was not 100 feet.
It wasn't what?
It was not 100 feet. Doesn't matter. You still didn't even make a complete stop.
Yes, it was. I stopped. Behind the sign and everything. What is you talking about?
2286.
286. It's okay because you don't know how to drive, sir. I literally watched him and made sure he put that blinker on. You're bored, bro.
Every trick.
You're bored. You just needed somebody to pull over.
Stop responsibly and all that on everything. I don't know if you got extra points to run up or what, but on everything I ain't the nigga. Every trick, on everything. Hey,
Makai.
Get out wide.
Hey, you're making this a lot bigger of a deal than it has to be.
Because I made sure he put that blinker on. You're doing that on purpose. I don't need to speak.
Doing what on purpose?
You
pulling niggas over
for no reason.
Because you bored.
I pulled you over for a reason.
Where did you even come from?
I watched you come behind us on purpose because I knew you was gonna come behind us. That's why I said.
And then like they always want to call extra motherfuckers and shit. You come over here and get this shit too. I'm on all that. Call all y'all niggas.
Hey, stop. Get back in the car right now.
Hey, get in the car, cause hey, no, stop, cause this is shit they like to shoot people over. Get in the car. Bro,
Get her. She just stepped out.
Get in the car.
Get her. She just stepped out.
Hey, what are we doing? What are we doing? Unlock the... Do you want them out? Unlock this door. Go
Unlock the door.
Unlock the door.
No, don't touch me.
Come here.
Don't touch me.
Stop. Stop pulling away.
Don't
Stop
touch
pulling
me.
away.
Don't
Stop.
touch me.
You're not
Don't
listening
touch
to directions.
Don't touch me. You can wait
not
till I
directed.
get out the car, sir.
No.
Don't touch me.
I told you to get out the car.
Are you touching me?
You're under arrest
Are
now.
you touching me?
You're under
Mom?
arrest. Get off the phone.
Get off me. Bro,
Off
this
the phone.
man is handling me wrong, bro. I swear to God, get off me, bro. I got a
under
lawyer.
arrest.
Get the fuck off me, bro.
You just kicked me now, too.
Mom, how this man... Get off me.
And you smacked me.
Like, tell this white ass bitch, get the fuck off me. I swear to God. Tell this white ass bitch, get the fuck off me. I swear to God. Get the fuck off me. Get the fuck off me. Like I said, get right up. Mom,
Do something, nigga.
these bitch ass white ass hookies, the fucking bitch, I don't give a fuck. Give me my fucking phone, bitch. I don't give a fuck. Give me my fucking phone, bitch. That's my shit. Bro, get off me. Get off me, bitch.
You're under arrest.
Bro, tell them get off me. The fuck is wrong with you, you white ass bitch?
Stop looking at me, bitch.
Get off me. Get off me. Get off me.
She just donkey kicked me, so just be careful about that.
Bro, I don't give a fuck. Cause you on me. This is my vehicle. Get the fuck off me. Bro, you take 3 of your bitch ass niggas to hunt a little girl, bro. Get the fuck off me, bro.
Relax.
Stop talking to me. Get the fuck to your mama, bro. Get the fuck off me. Like, y'all do not need to hold me like this. Like, hold your fucking bitch like this, nigga. Fuck. Cause you're touching me. White ass hanky. That's all y'all niggas do.
I'm gonna search you. Calm down.
Search me.
What's that?
The hell? Search me like how you search your nigga, bro.
What's that? Did you grab it? It's right.
Oh, hey. I mean, like,
You're
get
just patting
off
them right
me.
now.
Like, bro, you're...
Yeah.
Just gotta make sure you don't have no.
Ma'am, go ahead. Like, just like, do your job, bro. I don't give a fuck. Stupid ass white ass bitch.
I got her.
Give me somebody black up in this motherfucker. Where the fuck is all the black people? Like, damn. Like, all you guys is white ass bitches over here.
All right, come on, you're coming to my car.
Like, no. Grab my phone, man. Grab my phone. Yeah, grab my phone. Cause this white ass nigga over here wanna play with me. Like, bitch, don't play with your life like that, bitch. Fuck out of here. Dumbass hoe. Fuck. Yeah, push me to the car, bitch. Fuck. No, fuck him, bro. I don't give a fuck. Don't let me see your wife out here, bro. I'll spit on her, bro. I don't give a fuck. Fuck this white
Don't
ass
you start
bitch.
spitting on us either.
I spit on your wife, bitch. I ain't say you. I said your wife. Pussy ass bitch. And your kids. Fuck out of here.
Full search.
Okay.
Search me.
All right, come over to here.
Bro, can you wait? Can you wait? Y'all don't gotta move me like that. Wait. The fuck?
You are not in control of the situation.
Bro, and you're not in control of your bitch. Fuck out of here. Fuck. Keep touching me like that, bro. What is wrong with y'all?
I don't have to search you.
Bitch, you searched me
I
once.
patted you down. I did not search you.
No, bitch, you just rubbed all over my titty and everything, you
I
weird
made
ass
sure.
bitch. Fuck out of here. I'm not your nigga, bro.
Okay,
Get the
spread
fuck
your
off me. Bitch, what the fuck you wanna do?
Can
Go
you
on my
stop?
ass? What are you doing? Like,
got
stop
dope in there.
touching me. Okay, bitch.
Excuse me.
What is wrong, bro? Butt ass hanky. Can I get my phone? Can I mom? Cause y'all keep wanna fucking touch me. Like, y'all sexually harassing me and everything. It's okay.
Stop
I'm gonna
moving.
need all y'all's bags.
I'm gonna double lock these cuffs so they don't tighten up on you, okay?
Care, bro.
Stop moving
Shut
though,
up.
okay?
She searched.
I'm searched like 5 times.
Twice.
5.
Once
Bitch.
a pet
5, bitch, cause you touched me first. Bitch, shut
Go
up.
inside.
I don't care what you're doing. White ass bitch. Fuck off me.
I'm gonna put the seatbelt on you now,
What the
okay?
fuck? Put it on.
Good. I will.
Slave ass bitch.
Get in the car. Get in the car.
Excuse me.
Get in the car.
Get out.
Can you
Get
go
out.
from you?
Hey, watch
Get
how
out.
you handle me.
Get out.
Watch how you handle
Get out
me.
now.
Watch how you
Get
handle
out
me.
now.
Bro, I'm about to get out, bro.
Get out now.
Bro, can I, hey, yo, I got my
Get
phone
out.
on my lap, bro. I'm about to
Get out now.
Nigga, chill, bro. Get your hands off me, bro.
Stop.
Why ain't that, bro? Chill, bro. He think I'm a bro, you got me fucked up, bro. This is pissing me off. Bro, cause he think I'm a, bro. He think I'm a
just
suspect right there.
chill.
Search that bitch, nigga. Bitch, you
Just
think you about to find a
chill.
gun?
Hey.
Bitch, I'm about to go off on your bitch ass.
chill.
You thirsty ass, risky ass, bitch. What they say? I'm just know that, bitch. I tried to help, nigga. What they search me, bitch. I got a phone. I'm a civilian, bitch. Fuck you talking about, you bitch ass, nigga. Fuck around with you, nigga. Fuck that, that's all nigga in my face, I'm on that, nigga. Bitch, you owe me an apology, bitch ass nigga. What? Bitch, you thought you about to come over and find sound? Fuck, nigga. What you thought this was? Bitch, I'm a civilian, nigga. Fuck you talking about, nigga. I'm on all that, nigga. I'm on all that, nigga. Call the paddy wagon, nigga. Call the paddy wagon, bitch. Do something, nigga. Do something. Nigga, y'all need all these officers for what? Cause y'all bored, bitch. Elation. Nigga, elation. Bro, elation. Bro, elation. Elation. Bro, elation. Bro, elation. Bro, elation. 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 Bro, stop fighting these bitch ass niggas, bro. Stop fighting these bitch ass niggas. That's what they want us to do. Nigga, that's trying to use shit against us. That's some weird ass bitches. Stop looking at me, bitch. Fuck wrong with you, nigga. Bitch, I know this shit, nigga. I know this shit, nigga. What? Pet talk me, nigga. Pet talk me, nigga. Pet talk me, nigga. What?
Have a seat.
Fuck wrong with y'all niggas. I'm handcuffed, nigga. Fuck you about to do, nigga. Scary ass bitch. Shoot me. Fuck. Alright, nigga.